Meet the James family. They're living the good life. They represent a majority of Kenyans who are now using mobile technology and mobile payments. They're living the Hawani life. Mobile phones have made life easier, but Hawani life just made your dreams come true. See, when you download apps from Hawani Life, you can pay for them and the services they provide instantly right on the phone. Hawani Life is convenient and versatile. Just look at the different technologies available: Android, BlackBerry, Symbian, Java, USSD, and SMS. And you can use multiple payment options like your local bank and mobile money account. Choose from hundreds of apps and pay using your phone when you get a cab. Buy a ticket for your flight to Mombasa. Pay for your favorite movie or a parking ticket. Play games. Participate in student elections on campus. Shop at your supermarket and more. So live the good life. Experience the Hawani life today. Register for free at www.hawani.co.ke and change the way you live.